again. I thought I don't get a banana. Go to Minerva.
Okay. No problem now. I don't need my mom in Monte Costa de otra. Mira, descartado. We are let's go get about. Yeah, let's go about now. Video, you make video, video. This is the makeup for Plaza. Okay.
Mobi we gbonda manje mono emanike mantino nekene gino bosinketa ya bụ update gbasara Onitsha main market magafia Onitsha na Surudo. Achọm ka inene video biko bụ na inene che video chief kweneke comment share ma like ya.
Some people now asking what is going on inside market. What is going on inside market? We are inside market now. Active. I beg, if your shop today bright, I beg, please come because all this shop now is the move. If you like now, some people are open. I beg, yeah, now bright. Now I'm going to Lagos 9 down. So no fear. People are open. See, all the shop now where like now they move. So people are open. Come to market. See, not blame yourself because then say if you no come market, then go close your shop. Who be you? Yeah? If you challenge our governor, you know if you challenge him. So better you come to market and open your shop. You start one leg. If not one leg, use span. You see? So the better you come market and open your shop. I beg. I just beg. I know why I'm begging you like this. If you close your shop now, yeah? If you close your shop now, what do you get? Just take the risk here. If you come, just stay one side. Yeah? People are open. You know here now. So here now Johnson 9. So come and open your shop. No fear. Our people are going to talk. See? People are open. Why you hear them? People are open. It's theirs. Hey, all the shop now. They move. All the shop now, they move. So you better come to market and open your shop. Damn. Hey, if I know. See? All the shop now. They move. Oh yeah. They move. Hi. God. Madman say I feel as me. Ha. See. All this now they move. Hi, ya kata. Our governor, I beg you. I beg. You see? People are coming to market. You see this shop now? They move. See? You see? Oh yeah. From down. All the shop they move. So that is why. Wow. Not the smart thing. You see here now?
Why do?
They move. Try. Arrivé. Ew. Come and open your shop. Oh. Come open your shop. You see? You know here now. Mali Market. I'm going to Ose. Bright to Ose Market. Come and open your shop. Just no fear. Yeah? Before them close down for you. Yeah? See. All this thing now. All this shop now. They move. Maybe small thing. I swear. Omo. When I come open your shop, before them go close up for you. All this thing now they move. All the shop now wait there for road. You see? Here na money market. See what say? That white, this man a bank now for us. Now that place now is there now. All this thing now, they move. See now this thing they pay me. No be come market, you know come market. You see? All this shop now where in market now. This thing now they pay me. People now we get this shop now. What did they go do now? Almost million of people. Here now Ose market. Here now for marine market. You see that 5-star. Here now we are now in Onitsha market. We know this place, so people are coming market. People are coming. But hi, yeah now if you follow it this side now bright. This side now bright market. See all this now they move. See, oh yeah, now they move. If you follow this side now, you go bright. Now this place now start to lose our governor there that day they talk. Okay. So what is it now? No easy show. But nothing that happen. Oh yeah. When I open your market too, when I open, nothing that happen. I enter inside market now, nothing do me. Yeah? Oh yeah, now all this shop now, they move. This year carry something come up. Maybe small thing. See, they move before 14-2. Maybe see bank open. You see the bank open. So market dirty. If you come market, you enter bank, go collect money and buy market and go. Nothing that happen. You see? So nothing that happen. Yeah, no. Do I feel? I have one viewers. Yeah? I have one viewers. On a biazo after everywhere full. You can see everybody here. Come and open your shop. Nothing that happen. So market is full. Everybody is come to market. If you not come market, now you do yourself. You can see this is main market Onitsha. This morning, 2 February. So you can see no security here, no army people. So you can come and open your shop. Nothing is happening here. No fear. So they say security there, but I don't see any security. Maybe they're on the way. So when I come open shop, see, people are coming small. At least now before 10 o'clock, people will come fully. You can see nothing we can do. You see? This market. No opening, see? Maybe have food. See? This is my market in Onitsha. So you can come and open your shop. If you open it, you sell market. Nothing like sit at home.
I gave the shop.
Nothing like sit at home, yeah. No fear. If you fear, now you do yourself. You will knock your door. See?
Mam niile na-echego ya bụ video. Then ego na ya for that na again. Though na afia mehe, mana ndị na-eme ehe ka ndị mehelun. But I love the fact that na security juru everywhere. Nghọta. Security ma again juru everywhere. And I really love it that way. Ka ha nọkwala otu agawazie ka ha febo ha bịa nke this week, bịa nke next week in 3 weeks time or maybe after 1 month he shift. Okamana security and now steady, and I hope that no also this particular sport ka security no. I believe that not just afia Onitsha n'Incha gba gburugburu ịma na afia Onitsha ọ bụghị obere ihe, o buru ezigbote ibu ịghọta. So onye ka nsị ka m wetara unu Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ ka emesịa nụ nwanne m.